Project Loki. Yeah. And siguro I'd like to start this story conference and press conference with a promise. A promise na we will do it to the best of our abilities. We will give justice to this series dahil sa masterpiece na ginawa ni Ako Si Ibarra, Rain. So, let's discuss Project Loki. So, Project Loki has over 92 million reads, and Project Loki is a famous mystery thriller Wattpad series that follows the adventures of QED Club, which is a group of students who solve mysteries and crimes. And I think dito sa Project Loki, yun talaga yung mga abangan natin is paano nga ba matatranslate into this adaptation yung mga sinusubaybayan ng mga fans, the 92 million readers, paano nga ba is it gonna be bloody? Paano nga ba i-execute yung mga cases na yun? So the story begins when Lorelai transfers to Clark University to seek refuge and solace. She joins the QED Club, led by Loki, who happens to be her roommate, and her college life, or yung buhay niya, has never been the same. So if you guys notice, in Rain's writing, it was there you go. Ayun na. Dito tayo.
Originally, it was set in Clark High kasi high school students pa lang yung characters natin. But we have decided to level it up to each of the characters so that it will be more appropriate for the audience as well as for the setting. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga tauhan natin, yung na makikilala natin mamaya, meron silang undergraduate degrees at nakaset na talaga sila na around, I think 20s, tama po ba? Yun po yung isa nating aabangan talaga na changes na sa tingin namin is nababagay sa adaptation na to.
Yes. Thank you for that, Rain. And of course, after a traumatic incident in Manila, Lorelai Rios transfers to Clark University where she unexpectedly ends up sharing an apartment with the aloof and eccentric Loki Mendez. The relationship starts off rocky, but things shift when Lorelai joins the QED Club, a detective group founded by Loki. So ito yung excited din kami as the director. I'm sure all the casts are very excited also na magsimula na mag-shoot because yung ginawa nga namin itong introducing their characters as Loki, Lorelai, Luther, makikita nyo, they're very, hindi na sila makapagantay to portray the characters. Nabasa na rin nila yung book, sabi ko ulit-ulitin nila eh. So, as they grow closer while solving mysteries, the two uncover a series of cases tied to a shadowy figure only known as M or Moriarty. Along the way, Lorelai encounters Luther Mendez, Loki's cold and intimidating older brother. Parang nakikita ko yung mga fans yan, nandito sila ngayon. Yeah. So the QED Club later welcomes Jamie Santiago, a lively theater actress who adds warmth to the team. Meanwhile, Lorelai's childhood friend from Manila, Alistair Ravenna, visits her and urges her to return home, but chooses to stay in Clark University. So I was told that we're also streaming online. So I'd like to also greet the fans and to everyone na nanonood ng story conference ng Project Loki. And I'm sure habang binabanggit po namin, di ba rin, habang sinasabi natin yung Clark University, Loki, Luther, and all the characters of the QED Club, may mga certain scenes na lumalabas sa isip nila yung mga nasulat mo. So that's very exciting. Each member brings a different personality and investigative approach to the table, but despite their differences, the Clark University's QED Club is united by a common goal: to pursue the truth and deliver justice to those who deserve it. So guys, please palapakan po natin ang masterpiece ni Rain and Wattpad, Project Loki. And again, that's our promise. That's my promise as the director to give justice at bigyan po ng halaga bawat eksena to all the, di ba binabasa natin isa-isa yung mga comments. Rain was very particular na ito yung dapat
line niya or hindi niya sasabihin yung bagay na to, hindi siya magre-react ng ganito. Kaya talagang on our part, in collaboration of course with Director Zian Lim, talagang binabantayan namin hindi lang yung visuals nila. For sure makikita niyo mamaya kung ano yung mga kung sino yung mga gaganap. Pero yung pinaka-importante is kung paano sila magsalita, manamit, at saka kumilos talaga.
At dito kita tatanungin, Rain, teka.
Yes.
If merong isang eksena, I'm sure to all your fans watching right now, kung merong isang eksena na gusto mong pagtuunan talaga namin ng napaka-detalyadong, ano yan? Naku po, may sinabi. Spoiler. Then. From the author itself, kung meron kaming pipiliin na eksena, ano yung gusto mong career na eksena?
I think ang pinakaabangan ko po na iti-take, lalo na ni Direk, is yung revelation ng big villain natin for this story. Because it is the most defining moment, especially sa first volume ng Project Loki. So, ito kasi yung siya yung punot dulo, kaya meron tayong kwento. Kaya kapag na-reveal na yung identity niya, yun siguro yung mapapa-wow, hindi ko in-expect na siya pala. Parang gano'n yung magiging expected reactions natin sa ating mga viewers. And in relation to that, isisingit ko yung cheer up scene. So, I'm not the only one who is looking forward kung paano i-direct ni Direk Zian yung of course, di namin pwedeng sabihin kung sino yung mga involved na characters, pero talagang marami ang nag-aabang kung paano nyo po iti-take yung scene na yun.
Well noted, Rain, with that scene. So naririnig ka ng buong production team, nandito sila ngayon, so we will take note of that, Cheryl. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.